Hey there, savvy marketers. Are you tired of guessing which ads actually work? What if I told you there's a tool that tracks every click, conversion, and dollar you make? Introducing Hits Connect, your secret weapon to dominate ads, affiliate links, and follow-up campaigns. And guess what? I've got an exclusive link for you. Stick around till the end. Running ads without tracking is like driving blindfolded. You're spending money, but are you getting results? With Hits Connect, you'll know exactly which ads convert best, where your traffic really comes from, how to turn clicks into cash. Here's the game changer. Real-time tracking, no more fake clicks or wasted ad spend. Ad Rotator, test headlines, colors and CTAs to find the winner. Follow-up ads, retarget visitors like a pro, yes, just like an email list. And with Hits Connect Pro, you unlock next-level conversion tracking. Ready to stop guessing and start scaling? Click the link below to grab Hits Connect now and start tracking like a pro. Need help? Drop us a message in the comment box. Smash that like button, subscribe AVSDG Zone for more growth hacks, and I'll see you in the next video.